Hi, my name is Sylvia. I've been teaching yoga for 8 years and I've been suffering by tinnitus as well. Here is a nice breathwork exercise which will help you cope with tinnitus and relax. It's the so-called box breathing. You breathe in with the nose. Let's do it together. 4 seconds. You hold it. 4. And you breathe out with your nose. And you hold it again. This exercise will help you insert the parasympathetic system, which is the part responsible for relaxation. That's what you want to do with this exercise. Give it a try as long as you want, as many minutes as you want, and many times a day, 21 days in a row. Thanks for listening. Stick around. Bye.